Hello everyone, this is Glass Restore.
This is a guide video on how to use our all-in-one kit
To fix your home glass, windows and much more. So basically today we're gonna fix our kitchen table. It's full of scratches and there is no other way to fix it except use our kit or replace it. But you can also use it for hard water spots, razor blade scratches, acid graffiti, etched graffiti and much more. You can find all necessary information on our website. And let's just start. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use this kit on a table so you can see everything from the very beginning to the end.
Make sure you wear the special glasses to protect your eyes and make sure you have something to filter the air, because the dust that we are going to make is dangerous for your lungs.
So you must use mask or a special filter.
There is 6 different types of disc or pads. We always use them from the lowest number to the highest one. Don't skip any of them. It starts with the number 1 black. Here we also have number 2 blue, number 3 red, number 4 green, number 5 red 3000 and number 6 turquoise. It also comes with this backing pad, so you can easily just install it to your polisher. It's always super hard to capture the scratches on a video, but now you can see there are plenty of them, and I'm going to show you how to fix it.
First, make sure that you wipe the surface so you can see all the scratches clearly. Then you can touch the scratch with your fingers and nails and see if you can feel it. If you slightly can feel it, it means it's not a deep scratch.
You should start with pad number 2, which is blue. If you think the scratches are really deep, you can use set number 1, which is black, but use it on your own risk, as we don't recommend to use it without special training and education, as you may damage or break the glass.
So I'm gonna start from the disc blue. Let's just start and you're gonna see. All you need to do is put pressure here and make sure you keep it parallel. So don't do any angles like this, just keep it like this, put medium pressure and make sure everything's stable and fixed. If you work in a small area, make sure you do not overheat it. You can easily check it with your hand, be careful, it's super hot right now. So I'm gonna wipe it and make sure that all the scratches are gone. As you can see, there is a fog, so it's okay, no worries, but the scratches are gone. It means this blue did his job.
So right now we are going to polish it back. As this is our first disc we used, we are going to move up to red, green, red 3000 and then turquoise.
This is disc red and I'm gonna do the same with disc red, with disc green and with disc 3000.
Make sure every time the working area must be a bit bigger and bigger, so you cover all the area plus half inch.
Pay extra attention to the edges. So then we use disc red and then disc green. This is the next pad we're gonna use. You can still see small fog at the area you worked. That's why we're gonna use our last pad. This is our last pad. I'm gonna apply small amount of water. So never use this pad without water. If you still have fog after you finish your polishing, there is only two ways why it happened. First, you skipped some of the stages from disc 1, which is black, to disc 3000, which is red, or you spent not enough time with last polishing disc. There is no any fog or stains.
It was a guide video how to remove shallow scratches from your furniture, glass or any other glass surface. You can buy our pads, all-in-one kits and trainings on our website. If you want us to restore your glass for you, or you have a special unique problem like a deep scratches or acid graffiti, feel free to hire us. Take care, bye.